was separated leading to overfill. I think this is not correct, right?
Yeah, this is what our friend Mr. Galip is saying. See,
I think it will be if you open the PMDIDs, it will lead to interface level will increase up above the weir height and then drop water with oil and oil will be contaminated with water.
Yeah, correct.
correct.
This is the most realistic because in this case the oil the path will still open. It will not be closed.
Correct. Ultimately, your three-phase separation
This
is
is
not achieved.
my way of thinking.
No, you are right, Khalid. You are right. Because ultimately, your water separation is not happening. Yeah.
No, I tried to prove that I am still alive. And I think with you. And the challenge of the input.
Yeah. Okay, I think we need to correct it. So, put increase of high level in first stage separator, high level water increase of increase in level water side, right? In the first separator, leading to water carryover. Water.
To the high.
Yes, during the hassle,
Water carry over.
during the hassle, everyone is talking about final.
Yes.
And the
Ultimately, maybe flooding.
Yeah. See, if water cut is very high, then I can understand it can block the gas line, but water cut is not very high. So we are saying,
Yeah,
if
in fact, in the PNID, the production line is bigger than 12-inch against what is the size of 16-inch, right?
Yes.
So oil line is higher than
Yes,
the
yes.
liquid line,
Yes.
than the water line. So it will not fill up.
yeah, it will not fill up. It will go to the second stage separator.
Yeah, what will happen really is it will be off spec. Of lots of water in the oil side.
Yes. It will
Yeah.
interrupt the crude heater specification.
Okay, in due time, because you're not removing both, so probably there will be liquid level high anyway.
We didn't select the
In this case, I'll impact
No,
the
of course not.
functionality of the crude heater because I still heat high water cut.
Okay, guys. So this is the now we agreed. I have written here increase in the liquid level water side in the
Yes.
first stage separator leading to